Angela Devi Murugesan Software Training Center welcomes you. In the last video, we have seen how to create the central file. Okay, while naming the central file, care should be taken. Okay, just the name start just give central and give the name to the distinct between central file and the normal files and the local files. Okay, so don't forget. Now we are going to see how to create a local file. So go for file option. Just already I have changed the username as a mechanical. Okay, just to give the username, any username, because we are working on the same system. That's why we need to change the username. If you are using in different server and local systems, no need to change the username, because already they might have given the username, assigned you a username. Automatically that name, in what name you are logging in that name automatically added here. Okay, if you are using if you are logging as a mechanical or electrical, that username automatically it will take as a mechanical electrical, what name you are having. Okay, for here just I change to mechanical. Now what I am going to do, click open. Okay, here after we are since we are going to create local file, you should not go for new, just select open and locate your central file. Okay, just I am selecting central file. See here two items are enabled. See, just I am selecting normal file. These two items are disabled, detach from central and creating local. If you are selecting work shared file, then only you will get these two items enabled. Whether you can enable detach from central or create new local. Okay, you can tick mark. Otherwise, you can just untick this. Without selecting anything, you can go, or you can select only one. Detach from central we will see later. Now we will see create new local. If you select create new local, automatically new local file will be created. If you untick, no problem, just you can use the central file, and if you select as a save as and save in different name, once again that file act as a local file. Okay, just I am unticking both and select the central file, central Revit MEP. Click open. Now I am going to go for file, save as, and instead of central, just I am going to select as a local. Local file and click save. Okay, because already we are having central file. If this is local file, and another method is that to differentiate between two. Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, so now I am going for collaborate work sets. See, editable no, because already we relinquished the ownership. Editable no, owner is not there, so it is no ownership is there. That is okay for these two files. Just I am going to create a new work set. Click new, select OK. Say no owner is Mac. Click OK. Now it asks, do you want to make the Mac work sets the active work set? That means hereafter what else you are drawing or you are doing work, no, it will entire thing will set in mechanical work set, this work set only. For example, I am going to draw a duct. Just I am drawing duct on duct. Now this duct is placed in Mech work set. Okay, if you go down under, you can see that work set. If you want to change, you can select here and change the work set also. No problem, that thing we will see later. So just I have drawn the work set. So now I added a new work set. Okay, regarding this work set, whoever reads, they will create the work set. Okay, not the admin do not create the entire work sets. I need some work sets, depending on work sets only I will do it. Okay, for example, if I am going to have a mechanical equipment, for that I may create a separate work set, and for ducting I may have a separate work set. Okay, depending on your need and the complexity. Okay, if you are having complex system, then better go for each and every separate work set, but keep in mind, don't go for more work sets. Okay, right, done. Click OK. Okay, just now see editable owner. And next thing about this synchronize, here some other items are there: synchronize with central, read load letters, relinquish all main. Regarding read load letters we will see later. Relinquish all main we already seen. Okay, if we click, what will happen? Entire ownership will be removed. Okay, entire thing will come as a editable as a no, and the ownership name will be removed. Okay, better to relinquish all main in for your entire work sets. Okay, don't keep ownership. Okay, if we keep ownership, what will happen? We will see later in this video itself. So first I will go for synchronize with central. Okay, if I didn't synchronize, what will happen? My file will not be updated and I will not get updated file from the server. Okay, for the if I need updated file and I need to if I want to update my designs or whatever I had done to the central file, you need to synchronize this. Synchronize now means just click once, automatically entire thing will be synchronized. While working, if you want to synchronize, we can do synchronize. Another thing, synchronize and modify settings. If you want to change any settings, then only we will go for this. Okay, generally while closing we will do this. Click OK. So my file is updated. Okay, actually now only I told you just relinquish all main. We should do this, but what I am going to do now. I am not going to relinquish my ownership. Just I am going to close this. What happened? Relinquish element and work sets. Okay, its warning is there. So okay, keep ownership of element and work sets. Either you can keep the ownership of element and work sets. What I am going to do now, keep ownership of element and work sets and close it. Now I am going to create a new another local file for electrical. Click OK. Click open. See, if I select local, what happens? See, this did only detach from central is enabled. Create new local is not enabled. You cannot create new local from a local file. By this you can distinguish between two. Okay, this is central Revit file. Okay, this is central file. Since from central file only you can create a new local files. Okay, just I will disable this and click OK. I am going to say go for this save as project file. Okay, here just I am going to add electrical. For previous file I will forget to add as mechanical, then only you can easily identify. Okay, just electrical. Now I am going to check in work set. See, his editable is no, but owner is mechanical. Okay, I cannot change this. Okay, because only the owner mechanical can relinquish. I cannot relinquish. Okay, the person who is having ownership only can relinquish. The other persons cannot do relinquish. Okay, just I am going to create my new local work set. Click OK. Okay, let's click OK. No problem. Now my whatever I draw is, it will sit in electrical. What I am going to do now, just I am going to delete this file, because by this we can understand how what if somebody is having ownership on that work set, what will happen. Cannot edit the element until make resaves the element to central and relinquish it and you reload latest. Okay, that means already the person is having ownership on that work set. What are the drawings there or what have done, we cannot edit anything on that. So I click place request, close. Okay, I am going to delete the also same thing, close. Okay, now what I am going to do, just I am going to select the same work set mechanical, going to draw in that. and I'm going to delete. Now it's possible. Okay, that means before taking ownership, what are the things they had done, we cannot edit on that. After taking ownership, you are making any drawings fresh, that thing you can edit. Okay, be careful before taking ownership. What else? The any person might have done anything. Without the owner, we cannot edit. If one person is taking ownership of that work set, nobody can edit. But after taking ownership, you can draw and edit anything, that thing only, but not previous items. Okay, be careful on that. Okay, click OK. Just I am going to synchronize, close it. Okay, just relinquish ownership. Now I am going to open the mechanical local mech. This file has been saved by user mech. Current user is select. Please change your username or stop working on that, because the mechanical file I have created using mech username. I need to log in using the same username, not the different username. See, if I try to save, once again the warning is there. Just I close this, I go for option, change to mech. Now open the local file. See, I am getting to request. See, because that electrical wants to remove this show. If you click grant, that will be granted. I am going to click deny. Okay, I have given two options. Let us go and check. See, electrical is not there. Actually, we have seen for elect one work set is there, it's not there, but it shows borrower as a elect. That is owner who is owning that work set, and borrower who is working on that work set. Okay, that is the borrower. If you are anybody can be owner and anybody can work on that, but you cannot edit. Edit means before taking ownership, whatever you have done, that thing you cannot edit. You can create new things and that thing you can edit. He is the borrower. Owner is spec, electrical is borrower. But that electrical work set is not shown because I didn't synchronize that. Okay, unless you synchronize, you will not get your latest files. Okay, right, you got it. Just now I am going to save this, close this. I am going to keep ownership of the work sets. Let us see. Now I am going to change the electrical. Open electrical. See, for one item granted. Okay, so this is granted, so I can delete. This permission is not granted, so once again need to place request. This is how local file will be created. Okay, thank you.